Welcome back to another amazing adventures here on the KRR, known as the Kiamichi Road on the hot rails. Look who I have behind me, Eddie and Ronnie. Right there behind me. Right behind me. Here they come, everybody. There's Kiamichi Freddy. They're on their way to Ashdown. It's 10:45, and they should be getting to Ashdown at least by 12. They are now the midnight train. I love the sound of that crossing bell and the crossing going off. There goes Kiamichi Freddy. And now they go off. Alrighty, everyone. Alrighty, guys. Everyone. Hope I got everybody's attention pretty soon. I won't have this red truck anymore. I'm getting me a different vehicle. I can't tell you what it is until I start filming in it. I just took over my I bought my dad's truck, and he helped me where I can get it cheaper, and all that type of stuff. So my dad helped me out, and if it wasn't for him, I would have had to pay taxes on newer style vehicles. So he helped me out with that. So if anything happens to me, the truck will go back to him. But it's my truck, so I signed the papers. Blah blah blah. It's my truck, and I'm about to sell my old truck here. Um, so um, so if anybody wants to buy my truck, they can. It's gonna be an Idabel, but I'm selling it for um, 75,000. I think it's 75. Yeah, 75. 75 with 2 zeros on it. It's actually quite cheaper than a newer style vehicle. Um, so if any fan wants to buy it, go right ahead. So go ahead, because I done told my friends about it, and on the Queen and the Kiamichi Railroad. So I'll be filming in a my newer style vehicle. So that whenever they'll see me in it, and they'll know whose truck it is. So share, comment, subscribe, and share your comments. Make sure it's rail fan related. Um, Make sure comments that I can understand, and I can tell you everything about it. Why do I wear a reflectors vest? I wear it because it's safety, and safety is a thing on the railroad, and crew have to be safety when they're getting off the train and getting on the train. And of course, this is a Genesee and Wyoming Railroad. I like to be logoed out to their liking. So who's calling me? Oh well. Exactly. Kiamichi Road is owned by the Genesee and Wyoming. I like wearing the new Genesee and Wyoming logo with the Kiamichi logo on it, with the decal with the Kiamichi on it. And hopefully pretty soon I'll have more of these shirts. Hopefully a collection of different type of hats and different types of stuff with the Genesee and Wyoming on it. And I like wearing it because I look good in it. Rail fans, I think sometimes people everybody's a big fan of me. Sorry, everybody's a big fan of me. They can recognize me. They'll say, "Hey, that's Marshall right there." I don't mind you. Talking out loud where I can hear you. I don't mind. Because when I hear it, it makes me smile, and I ain't. Sometimes I'll blush whenever I hear a fan say, "Hey, that's Marshall." Just come up and talk to me if you like to. I ain't afraid. Um, if you want to stay safe during this time, go right ahead. I understand. I don't mind meeting you, but you have to be up, you have to be awake, and all that type of stuff, because I'm usually on the railroad at nighttime or also in the daytime, but I'm mostly filming at nighttime. So, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. I done caught trains at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, at 2 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock, and 11, and 12. And I have caught trains at 7 o'clock in the morning, and 8, and 10 o'clock in the morning, and whenever the schedules work. And there's been a lot of problems going on with the railroad lately. I've been hearing rumors about stuff, but I'm not going to get into that. So, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Marshall, thank you for watching. It's not about anything. It's about somebody going on the railroad that they quit. So somebody on the railroad quit, and that's the only thing I know. And I wish he'll come back and work for them, for the Kiamichi Railroad. I just wish he didn't quit for them. I really liked him. I respected him. He was really nice. He was kind, and he treated me with respect. And he was a good brother, and he'll still be a brother. And So share, comment, subscribe. This goes for my sisters. This goes for my brothers and sisters who films trains. So, and also for the one that works the railroad as well. So, share, comment, subscribe. Please help my channel out, support it, and I'll see you guys and I'll see y'all next time. So, marching out. Stay tuned. See you next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad, known as the KRR, on the hot rails, owned by the Genesee in Wyoming. See you later. Boop. It's time for me to go home and clean this off. So my boss and his wife does not like me having a beard right now. So hopefully later on they might change their mind. Oh, I like having a beard, so I guess I have to shave it off. Oh well, see y'all later. Marching out. See you next time. Bye now.